Hi guys, as you've seen in the pictures how good the ambient light look at night time. Now I'm going to show you how I actually installed them in my car so they came out the way they look now. So I've started from one side, started from this side here. That's the corner. I started from there and then started squeezing inside. As you can see, it's an extra bit. I just squeezed them inside from there. It's very simple. There's no much hard work needed for that. Yeah, bring all the way inside from here. As you can see behind the steering wheel, let me bring it up. Now you can see. Yeah, it looks very neat as well. So no, it's not hanging or anything else. Then from here, just go up. As you can see here, go up. Make sure you squeeze it nicely inside from here. Sometimes it pops up too much. Just make sure it go all the way inside. Yeah. Then it's straightforward from this part. Just bring it in, put it in. This side is also very easy to actually squeeze it inside all the way. Once you come here, it's going to be a little bit hassle for you to turn, but because it's quite a narrow place there. So turn it around. Take your time, turn it around. And now this bottom part is the most difficult part in this, I think, because the light will actually come out. The reason for that is the plastic between this and under the frame of the dashboard is very loose, so it just falls out. So what I did to make it like how it is now is I used blue tags. So you use some blue tags, put them underneath, and they will pretty much make sure that they stay there. The light won't fall down anymore. As you can see, I have blue tag, but you cannot see it anything. So that means it works pretty nicely. Yeah, so once you do this part here, again, same, if it falls from here, just use some blue tack underneath, inner side of it, and then stick it in there. From here, all you need to do is turn it around on this side. Let me show you from the angle. So, see, from there you turn it around. Once you turn it, squeeze it in. Just use your fingernail or your fingers, then press it inside. Yeah, it will go in easily. It will go easily in. Then just come around. As you can see, there are two times. I'll tell you the reason why that is. Yeah, but first time, just go around underneath this console. Come around. From here, what you have to do, you have to go behind this front light here. So just behind, there's enough gap for this one to go behind. Okay, put it behind. You see this red piece here? It's all empty. Okay, just put it behind there. Bring it one more time around it, and this time bring inside one more time. Why? I told you the reason why. Once you're inside, you come back down again. Then because you have to put it inside this, inside there. Okay, and how you do that? It's very easy to take care. You see, it just came out. It just came out. Just make sure you put the wire in there. Once the wire goes in there, then what you have to do, you have to go down near your footwell and take the wire out from this. So I don't know if you can see very clearly. Just take the wire out from here. Sorry, it's a very awkward position there is. Okay, see, you just need to take the wire out from there. You can use your fingers. You can open. It's just plastic, very loose plastic. So just what you need to do is put your hand or put your finger through there and pull the wire out. Once you pull it, then it will nicely get. You can turn it there nicely. Okay, bring it here, and there are two parts. You can either go up or come down. If you go up, as you can see, if you go up one, it's really difficult to get the light inside this part. So, and I think the bottom looks better than top one. And so this is also very simple. Squeeze it in from there. Use your one thumb or some finger and bring it all the way like this on this corner. Once you're here, turn it around Okay, as you can see, you turn it around. This from far you cannot see actually, so you see it's very kind of hidden place. And why I did that is I have the power inside my armrest, so see, from there I turned it, I brought inside here, and I have my power. This is USB cable here, you see, I just plugged it in there and voila, it's working. Why I put it here is just to keep it neat, clean and safe from other things, because you know the socket is there and one socket is down here. I don't want to use those sockets because I charge my phone and my friends are in the car, so they like to charge their phones, so I don't like to use this part and it will look bad hanging, wires hanging in front. So I rather just put it here, hidden, nice place, clean. Okay, but I think at night time it looks magnificent, it looks very nice. I hope you liked this small tutorial of mine on how to put this light on, and please, if you like to improve something or you have better ideas, put down in the comment. Thank you for watching this and see you later. Thank you, bye.